Hello guys, welcome to Harmony Store. On today's tech review, we'll be talking about the HP all-in-one desktop. HP all-in-one desktop enjoy the convenience of a computer and a monitor in all-in-one package. This is what it's basically mean, whereby you have your computer together with your monitor and your CPU all in a package. So you don't need to be worried about where you're going to put your CPU, how the cables are going to be littering all around. Your monitor is as well your CPU. So all you just have to do is power on your monitor, get your keyboard and your mouse all together, and you're ready to go without your CPU walking around or staying beside your monitor. So here with me, it's an HP Pro One 240 G9 all-in-one desktop, and right beside it is HP Desktop 22 inches all-in-one desktop. HP Pro One 240 all-in-one desktop. It's a 24-inch screen size. It's a Intel Core i5 12th generation. It comes with 8 gig RAM and 512 gigabyte solid-state drive. This is embedded with our latest operating system, which is Windows 11 Home, and this comes with the regular USB ports, your LAN ports, Wi-Fi enable, and it's Bluetooth enable as well. And here beside it, it's HP all-in-one 22-inch desktop. The 22-inch desktop is a bit smaller to the 24 inches. The 22 both has a webcam that you can lift up just like this, and after you are done with your video conferencing, you can put it back and take it down. The 22-inch desktop, it's a Pentium processor in it, a 4 gig RAM, and has a 256 solid-state drive. Both are Windows 11 powered PC. So when you're into high-end production, you want a fast PC, you want a PC whereby you can quickly finish up with a task that is not going to take you time, the Core i5 is recommendable. While the Pentium Silver, which is the 22 inches all-in-one desktop, is basically for millennials, maybe secondary school students, home use, home office, your receptionist, front desk, for people who doesn't do much on a desktop than just taking your request, send mails, just the basic work this will do. They are both all-in-one desktop. They don't have the CPU beside them, just like the archaic one. Their CPU is already embedded inside, so all you just need is this screen with your keyboard and your mouse, and you are good to go. So when you're in need of all-in-one desktop, you can get any of your all-in-one desktop from any of Harmony Store in Nigeria. Don't forget to follow, like, and share our page. On to the next time. See you again.